Welcome back, and a warm welcome to everyone on the Unity Car channel. Today, we're showing you a camper that's being called one of the most unique and useful campers of 2025. Its name is SkyRoamer 3X. The moment you look at it, you'll feel that this isn't just a normal ride, it's like a small moving home. Its design is very clean and simple. No glitter, no bright colors, just a calm and practical look that gives peace of mind. The biggest feature of this camper is its size. Even though it looks small from the outside, it feels very spacious inside. Two people can easily sit and relax. There's a soft bed for resting, and a small kitchen-like space where you can make tea or light meals. It includes a steel sink, a small stove, and storage cabinets below. In the middle, there's a folding table that you can use for eating or working on your laptop. The interior is nicely designed. There's a small ventilation fan on the roof to keep the air fresh inside. Small LED lights are installed for lighting. At night, it feels like a peaceful little room where sleeping is very comfortable. If you love traveling into forests, hills, or quiet roads, this camper is a great choice. It's not expensive, and it's not difficult to drive. The three large wheels make it stable, and while driving, it doesn't shake. The brakes are soft, and the steering is so light you can turn it with just one finger. There's also a window-like back door that opens up for fresh air. It even includes a power bank connection to charge your mobile or light a small lamp. This camper is made especially for people who don't need fancy features but want a simple and peaceful lifestyle. It's also great for those with a small budget who want to travel outside the city for a few days and live close to nature, without hotel costs or stress. SkyRoamer 3X is built for those who want to live freely while moving. Inside the cabin, there are small compartments to keep your items, a tiny rack for clothes, a shoe space below, and even a little mirror on the wall. When you sit inside, it doesn't feel like a van, it feels like your own personal little room. Without any flashy design, this camper still gives a very cozy feeling. If you've ever imagined what a simple and peaceful life looks like, this camper will give you that exact experience. No noise, no worries, just fresh air, silence, and your own journey. Unity Car channel will continue bringing you more simple but powerful vehicle reviews like this. Stay connected with our channel, watch all our new videos, and if you're planning a peaceful journey, don't forget to check out the SkyRoamer 3X. See you in the next video, goodbye.